If you wear a retainer, a mouth guard, dentures, Invisalign, any of those things, this product is definitely for you. I actually didn't even realize I needed this until I stumbled upon it. I have been wearing a mouth guard for years now, and you know, every once in a while, of course, you have to change them, but this is some heavy duty, extra strength retainer cleaner, and all you have to do, smells like peppermint. It smells so good. All you have to do is take one of the tablets and put it into a glass of warm water. And you are then going to pop your retainer, your denture, your mouth guard, whatever it may be, inside. So as you can see, whoa, so cool. So that's just gonna dissolve in there. Oh, I can smell that peppermint. Very cool. And I'm going to take my retainer that, yes, I rinse, yes, I brush it and clean it, but of course, over time, it has that plaque buildup, you know, this is in your mouth all the time, so it should deserve a nice little clean. So you just pop it in there. They say to leave it in there for about 15 minutes, but if you have any really stubborn stains on there, you can leave it overnight, and then it's gonna leave it looking nice, fresh, and smelling good.